Okay, hello dear friends. We will do Pascal triangle. So I copied one of these form from online, and I already written down 11111. There is no number when I first print it out. You can see I use this purple silver glitters purple. So what it is about, every number is an accumulation from the previous number. So the previous number on top of this triangle is 1, so it goes down. And this number goes down 1, and it goes down 11111 at the edge, 11111. And when the previous triangle, this number, what do we put? Is the accumulation of the previous two adding up together. So this one will be 2. And from here on, the previous two connecting previous two adding up together is 3. The previous two, the line above line is 2 and 1. Then here is 3. And the above line, it only connect with two above ones. Okay, only two, these two together. 3 and 1 makes 4. And this above 2 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 4, 5, 10, 10, 5. Right? 6, 15, 20, 15, 6. Right? You find it's symmetrical. First, you find it's symmetrical. And second, you find every number is the accumulation of the previous number. 7, 21, 35, So I have done this with my students of 3rd grade, 84, and 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. I enjoy doing this, and okay, not talking, focus. 这谁？120，210，220。Sorry, here is 220，开始0，220，220，这个是2加4的6，7，7，8，6，开始。1001，2002，1001，2002。Gosh, it's interesting. 哈哈，56，15，12，OK, no, smile, 3003，Am I joking? 10。10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10，10， 7加814，数6 364啊，对了，1 9 10 呼呼，15加91，5，105，55，45，55，6，3，1365，OK，300355，呼嘘，30035005，Okay, I need to check online, see if I am right. I have no confidence, and I checked online, and I am right. I'm so happy. Okay, so we will not linger on this too long. It's a mathematical formula. We can figure it out, and we work on the question. Yeah. I hope this video is, let me see what is the original comment. And it's so entertaining to see such a comment. And it's very interesting. I know you made a lot of effort to try to learn something, and I better deserve your time and your effort. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Oh, good grief, that is all as clear as mud. Okay, I hope this one we do better. Which question do we do? We do a simple one, question number 5. How about that? Let's take a look of question number 5. It is relatively simple. The number is small, so we start from this small number. Okay. Here, question number 5. A plus 2 to the power of 4. So let's first change b equal to 2. We will not use this number at the beginning. So a plus b to the power of 4 equal to a to the power of 4 plus the coefficient 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And before we start, a is decreasing, a to the power of 4, and the power of a start to decrease, and the power of b start to increase. From the first one, that a to the highest power, which is 4, and b to the lowest power, which is 0. We are talking about a natural number, including 0 natural number. We are not talking about a negative number or any other number. These are natural numbers. So natural number from 1 to any real number. Let's say natural number starts from really counting people from the very fundamental counting. There is 1 people, there are 2 people, there are 3 people, there are 4 people. You do not say there are half people. No, there is no half people. A person, is a complete person. Okay, there is no half. And when we divide something, you get or you do not get, you get a certain number, you do not get 0. 0 was originally not counted as a natural number. So, but now mathematicians start to add it in. Anyway, we can say 0 is a natural number. And if you do not agree with me, or if you disagree with this classification, you can debate with mathematicians. Okay, so a from power of 4 to a power of 3, and b to the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So a times 1, which is the a to the power of 4 times 1, which is equal to, let me still write it down. I will use the green card. So b to the power of 0, b to the power of 1, plus a to the power of 4, a to the power of 1, a to the power of 0, b to the power of 2, b to the power of 3, b to the power of 4. And the coefficient is positive, so we always write positive. And now we the sign is always positive. And now we need to add in the number on the power of 0, power of 1, power of 2, power of 3, power of 4. 1, 4, 6, 4. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And b to the power of 0 is 1. A to the power of 0 is 1. So we can change into a 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b to the 4th. Now we have expanded to the most expandable form. Those are all individual items. They are not factors. They are the number spread it out. You take your wallet and spread out everything, put it out. There's no classification, no other classification. Okay, so here we need to bring back this b. Bring it back, b equal to 2. 2 in place of b. So all this b, we will let the b disappear because b is an artificial number we added in to help us to calculate. Now we need to do to switch it back. If you are smart enough, you do that. No, this is not a good word. If you are clear enough, you have already done it. You do not need to substitute this b into 2. You can just so good and calculate. I have students never use calculator, never use anything, everything number just in his brain, and the result is there are sometimes he makes mistakes. And yeah, so I am not as smart, so I write it down. So a cube plus 4a cube b times 2 plus 6a square b 2 square plus 4a b cube 2 cube plus 2 equal 8 fourths plus 8 4 6 24 plus 4 8 32 plus 60 6, 60. So this is the final result. Do I make any sense? Now we do another one. Still another one. Oh, 15. 15 is interesting. 15 is interesting. X half minus x to the power of negative half to the power of 4. Okay, that number, right? Okay, so what do? We suppose a equal x to the power of a half, b equal to negative x power to the negative 1. Okay, why do I use negative sign? Negative sign here because here is negative sign. We will do still like this. So it can become a plus b to the power of 4, right? A plus b. And this one we can easily spread it out. Right? This one, we got the coefficient from this form, 4. Now we change back. A we use, I have some different color, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Red and pink. Which one do we use as A? A use red, okay? A to the power of 4. So it's x to the power of 4 plus 3 times x R plus 6x up to the 3rd plus 4ax. Now we add in b. B is negative x negative R to the power of 1. This one is negative x negative x plus b. Okay, I write it here. Negative x power of 4. Right? A to the power of 2. 2 times 4 is 2 plus, can you see it clearly? The green is not a good color. Okay, I will use my writing pen again. Equal x squared plus 4x and negative x, so it becomes negative. We can change this line into negative. X full plus 6 Negative negative is positive x 负2/2 which is -1 plus 4x 2/1, and this one becomes negative x 负2/3 positive plus x to the negative 2. Okay, now we do some power calculation. X squared minus 4x to the power of 1 plus 6. Oh, this is plus 6 positive 1 negative 1 is 0, x to the power of 0, and then it's this number itself, x to the power of 0, and here minus x to the power of negative 1, 4x power of negative 1 plus x to the power of negative 1. Oh, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So this is the result. It's still very symmetrical. Do I make any sense at all? Thank you very much. I hope this one is, you know what I'm talking about. Bye bye. I love you. I